Hello and welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make dead links in HTML. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe because we are very close to our 1 year anniversary of October 7th, and let's try to get to 100 subscribers by then. But without any further ado, let's get on into the video. So sometimes you might just want to add a link without knowing where it's going to lead to. So in that case, you can make a dead link, which is a link that doesn't lead anywhere. So let's start this page. So I'm going to create an H1. So lesson sign H1. And over here, I'm just going to call this title. And that will be the H1 of my page. So now let me create a link. And the way I do this is a href equals quotations and a hashtag. Then I close off the a tag and I just add in my link text. So dead link or whatever you want it to be. So over here, as you see, I have the title, I have the ahref, and here, and it's the dead link right over here. So a normal link that isn't dead, it would be like this: ahref equals, I don't know, let's say google.com, and I'd close up the a tag, and then I'd say Google, something like that. That's a normal link. But over here, where the link to the site is, for a dead link, you just replace that with a hashtag. So now let's try running this. So in order to run this, all we have to do is hit File and Save. And now let's open up our File Explorer. And in our File Explorer, you can see, and over here, we just need to find our file. So just scroll to where your file is. Mine's going to show up in Quick Access right over here. And all we have to do is double click this and it will open up a new Chrome tab with our stuff. So over here, there's the title, and here is our dead link. So if I click on this, nothing happened because it's a dead link. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.